Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate using AWS Amplify Auth in Android. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, ensure you have your Android Studio installed and set up. Create a new project in Android Studio. Select an empty activity template. Name your project and set the package name and save location. Make sure the minimum SDK is set to at least API 21. Once your project is created, open the build.gradle file for the app module. Add the dependency for AWS Amplify Auth in the dependencies section. Sync your project with the Gradle files to download the required libraries. Next, open the Android manifest.xml file. Add the necessary internet permissions for your application. Navigate to the main activity Java file. Initialize AWS Amplify in the onCreate method using Amplify configuration.load. You will need to create an Amplify configuration file. In the root directory of your project, create a new directory named Amplify. Inside the Amplify directory, create a JSON file named amplifyconfiguration.json. This file will hold the configuration details for AWS services you'll use. Use the AWS console to set up your Cognito user pool and identity pool. Copy the configuration details provided by AWS. Paste those details into the Amplify configuration.json file. Now, return to your main activity file. Check for successful initialization by implementing an amplify.author sign-in method. Capture the user input for email and password from your app's UI. Use amplify.author sign-in, passing the email and password as parameters. Implement a success callback to handle successful authentication. Also, implement a failure callback to handle any errors that may occur. Next, create a function to manage user sign-up. Use amplify.author signup for registering new users. Capture necessary user input such as email, password, and any required attributes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.